There are many ways to call it, but the fact is that the cannabis market is going through a complete rebranding due to its new legal conditions and acceptance in some places. You probably know this already, and yes, we are all very familiar with the classic 7-pointed green leaf that represents cannabis. However, there are tons of different, more creative, and subtle ways to show your support. Why not create something out of the pot? Placeit has tons of creative and trendy customizable design templates. All you have to do is choose a template you like to make some edits on the text and colors, and there you go! Amazing designs of cool illustrations ready to look amazing on your social media, your website, your online shop, or even printed. Using mockups is a great way to display your designs. Find tons of easy to use t-shirt mockups to show off your designs and show your support to the cannabis industry. Besides, using this is super easy. All you need to do is drop your image into the mockup, and Placeit will do all the magic to deliver an image with your design perfectly adjusted to the garment. We'll do all the hard work for you. It only takes a few seconds for us to process your image file and deliver a professional mockup or video. Go over all the cannabis designs at Placeit and start making your own creations. Let me know in the comments if this video was helpful for you, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.